we're now going to give you a chance to try this out. So I have a set of data here, and what I want you to do is use the computational formula for the sample standard deviation to find the sample standard deviation in this case. So you're going to find the sums, sum of x squared, in, find those sums, plug them in, and calculate the sample standard deviation. So go ahead, press pause, and then when you think you got the answer, you can start the video back up and see how you did. Okay, so now let's see how you did here. I'm going to need to get the sums, so the sum of x squared, and in. So the sum of x, I'm just adding the numbers up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my calculator now to find the sums. So in the videos for the statistical sums, I show how to use this calculator, so if this is the one you have. I also have some YouTube videos in case you have a TI-30 or a TI-84. So you may want to go back and see how to use whatever calculator you have. If you have a different calculator, you could probably do a search on YouTube and find a video that shows how to do the statistical sums on there. So for this one, I'm going to hit clear. I'm going to hit shift mode and then clear all, hit 3, reset all, and that resets everything. Now I'm going to hit mode and hit 2, and now I'm in the statistical data mode. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in these values. So 15, and then hit M plus, and I have n equals 1, 12, 21, 16, 22, 9, 16, and 10. And so I got 8 values in there. Now if I hit shift 1, so up above the 1 it says S sum, so I hit shift 1 and I get the choice of those 3 sums. If I hit 2, then I get the sum of x to be 121. Now I'm going to hit shift 1 and I'm going to hit 1, and there's the sum of x squared. Now I have to hit equals, and then I get 1,987. And that's this is where I square each one individually and then add them together. Then my n here is equal to 8. So just like that, I get the sums. So now I plug them together in the formula. So the sum of x squared is 1,987 minus 121 squared divided by 8, so that's the top. Divide all that by 8 minus 1, and then take the square root. So now, using this formula, I'll do 1,987 minus 121 squared divided by 8. So I'm doing the top first, and then I hit equals. Okay, that would give me the same number that the table would give me. And then I'm going to divide that by 7. So I'm dividing by the bottom, hit equals, and this would actually be the variance. Okay, and then I'm going to take the standard deviation of the answer, hit equals, and I get 4.7. So this is approximately 4.7. So what you should have gotten here was 4.7, and that is your standard deviation. So you can see that the computation formula is actually even quicker and easier than the definition formula. Okay, and it's going to be more accurate as well.